Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the no healthy upstream error that can appear in browsers and applications. This error usually means there is a problem on the server side, so if it's only one website, there's not much you can do. But if this happens across multiple websites or services, it may be due to DNS settings on your computer. Let's try a few steps to fix this. Step 1, flush DNS and reset Winsock. Open the Start menu, type CMD into the search bar. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If you see a User Account Control prompt, click Yes. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command: ipconfig flush DNS, then press Enter. You should see successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Next, type net winsock reset, then press Enter again. You will see a message saying the Winsock catalog was reset and that you must restart your computer. Close the window and restart your PC. Step 2, reset network settings. If the issue persists after restarting, try resetting your network settings. Open Start menu, type Network Reset into the search bar. Select Network Reset from the results. In the window that opens, read the warning. This will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and restore default settings. If you use Wi-Fi, make sure you have your Wi-Fi password before proceeding. Click the Reset Now button. Confirm by clicking Yes. Close the window and restart your PC. After the restart, check if the issue is resolved. Hopefully, the error message will no longer appear. Thank you for watching this quick guide. I hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.